The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Mathis Police Department is searching for Enrique Hernandez, Hispanic, male, 5 years old, 3 feet 11 inches, weight 80 pounds, brown hair, and brown eyes. Police are looking for Stephanie Olivares, Hispanic, female, 22 years old, height 5 feet 6 inches, weight 223 pounds, brown hair, and brown eyes in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a red, 2002, Dodge Neon with a Texas license plate number of LDR 8421. The suspect was last heard from in Mathis, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Mathis Police Department at 3615-472-1113.
Le habla el país.